Hi! So this is Vicky Unboxing Feelings. So we have here life's difficulties. So what is this all about? In the hour when we compare what we desire to do with what we have actually done, if we are humble and open to lessons life offers to teach us, we increase the odds of our success. And knowing that we have tried our best, perhaps we will be content with what we have been able to become and to accomplish. So, if meron tayong mga pinagdaraanan ng mga difficulties, trials, isipin natin yung mga successes natin. Isipin natin na kung noon nakalagpas tayo, muli makakalagpas tayo. Diba? Kasi we cannot avoid life's difficulties. And we shouldn't even try. Why? Because the people who succeed in life don't try to escape. Because the people who succeed in life don't try to escape pain, loss, or unfairness. They just learn to face those things, accept them, and move ahead in the face of them. So let us move ahead in the face of difficulties. I know you can do it. Sobrang dali sabihin pero mahirap gawin, pero kailangan yun yung piliin natin, yung lumaban, yung i-try ang best natin para makapagpatuloy, di ba? Kasi life isn't fair and we shouldn't expect it to be na maging fair pa. The sooner we face that reality, the better we are going to be at facing whatever is coming toward us. So talagang marami pa tayong pagdaraanan, marami pa tayong ilalaban, masusugatan pa tayo, masasaktan pa tayo. Pero kailangan, wag mong piliing sumuko. Piliin mong magtiwala sa Panginoong Diyos. Kasi ang Panginoong Diyos, paulit-ulit kang tutulungan at poproteksyonan at ililigtas. That's our VQ Unboxing Feelings. Ingat ka palagi. Bye!